Every smartphone company keeps saying innovation is back. But most phones, they still look the same, they feel the same, and do the exact same thing with slightly faster chips and slightly brighter screens. And that's why the Nothing Phone 4A, you know, is getting so much attention right now. Because instead of trying to be another boring rectangle in recycled marketing, this phone is trying to make people excited about tech again. And honestly, whether you love the design or hate it, you have to admit it stands out instantly in a market full of copy and paste devices. That transparent style, the glyph lighting system, the clean software experience, and the focus on simplicity make this one of the most interesting mid-range phones people are going to talk about this year. And what makes the Phone 4A even more important is trying to bring premium-looking features to a price range normal people can actually afford. And that matters way more than companies releasing $2,000 phones and most people will never buy. So in this video, I'm breaking down everything that matters about the Nothing Phone, Phone 4A, including the design, the display, the cameras, the battery life, the performance, and the software, gaming experience, and the AI features, the durability, and whether this is actually worth your money or just another overhyped internet gadget. Starting with the design, this is obviously the first thing people notice. Nothing built its entire brand around making smartphones look different, and the Phone 4A continues that identity. You get the transparent inspired rear design and with exposed looking patterns and clean industrial styling that instantly separates from Samsung, Apple, Motorola, and basically every other brand right now. Instead of hiding the hardware personality, Nothing makes the phone feel mechanical and futuristic at the same time. The glyph lights on the back are still one of the coolest features because they are not just there for looks, they can work for a notification, timers, calls, charging indicators, music syncing, and custom app alerts. It gives the phone personality, which is something most devices completely lack now. The frame is expected to feel lightweight but solid, and the overall size should hit that sweet spot before being comfortable to hold, while still giving you enough screen space for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. The display is another area where this phone could seriously compete above its price class. Expect a large AMOLED panel with a smooth high refresh rate, and that makes scrolling feel fluid and responsive. Watching videos, gaming, and even basic navigation feels way better on high refresh displays. And once people switch to it, going back to sticky or 60 hertz feels terrible. Colors look vibrant without being oversaturated. Black levels should look deep thanks to the OLED technology, and brightness levels will hopefully be strong enough for outdoor use. And a lot of budget phones still cut corners with weak panels, but Nothing understands that the screen is the thing users interact with constantly, so it needs to feel premium. Performance is where things get really interesting because this phone is expected to balance efficiency and speed instead of chasing benchmark numbers nobody actually cares about in daily life. Most people are not rendering movies on their phone, and they are using social media, watching videos, gaming, messaging, taking pictures, and running multiple apps at once. The Phone 4A should handle all of this comfortably thanks to a capable processor paired with optimized software. Nothing OS is honestly one of the biggest reasons people are interested in these phones. Instead of loading the system with duplicate apps, weird advertisements, and bloated features nobody touches, the software, it stays clean and fast. The minimalist approach makes the entire experience feel smoother even if the hardware is not the absolute fastest on paper. Animations feel refined, the menus feel responsive, and the visual style feels unique without becoming annoying. And a lot of Android phones, they lose their identity because manufacturers overload them with the clutter, but Nothing keeps things simple in a good way. And if you want to check out the full specs, the colors, the pricing, or the availability for the Phone 4A, make sure you hit the link in the description because that's the easiest way to see the updated details and purchase information if you decide this is the phone for you. So now let's talk about the camera, because smartphone photography is one of the biggest deciding factors for most buyers. The Phone 4A is expected to deliver a strong camera setup for the price, especially in daylight conditions where modern smartphone cameras have improved massively over the last few years. You can expect sharp photos, balanced colors, decent dynamic range, and social media ready images without needing heavy editing. Nothing has also been improving its image processing, which matters more than megapixel numbers people see in advertisements. A good sensor combined with solid software optimization usually beats the gimmicky camera setups loaded with useless lenses. The video quality should also be respectable. It was stable recording and decent detail for the TikToks, the YouTube shorts, the Instagrams, and everyday clips. Night photography is always tougher for mid range devices, but software improvements and AI processing are helping these phones close that gap faster than ever before. Battery life is another category where this phone could become a major winner because people are tired of carrying chargers everywhere. A good smartphone should comfortably last a full day. And the Phone 4a is expected to focus heavily on battery efficiency. Between the optimized software and the efficient chipset, most users should have no problem making it through normal daily use without the panic charging by the afternoon. Fast charging support is also becoming essential now because once people experience quick top ups, they never want to go back to that slow charging again. Even 15 or 20 minutes connected to a charger can make a huge difference when you're rushing out the door. Gaming performance is another thing people care about more than ever, especially with mobile games becoming more demanding every year. And the good news is the Phone 4a should be more than capable of handling popular games smoothly at the respectable settings. Titles like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, Roblox, Minecraft, and even heavier games should run well for most users. The high refresh rate display also helps make the gameplay feel more responsive, which is something competitive players always notice immediately. Thermal management will matter too because nobody wants a phone that turns into a hand warmer after 20 minutes. Nothing has been improved hold on, let's just start there for a second. Nothing has been improving optimization with each release, and that should help maintain stable performance during longer gaming sessions. Another underrated area is the software support and updated experience. People keep phones longer now, which means updates matter more than ever. Security patches, Android upgrades, bug fixes, and feature improvements can completely change the long-term value of a device. And nothing seems to understand that users want phones that age well instead of becoming outdated immediately after the launch. That clean software approach also means there's less junk slowing things down over time, which can help the phone stay smooth for years instead of just months. And one thing I really respect about Nothing as a company is that they actually understand branding in a way most tech companies completely fail at. They know younger buyers want products that feel exciting and visually different instead of corporate and generic. And the Phone 4a is not trying to pretend it is the most powerful phone on the earth. Instead, it focuses on delivering a balanced experience with style, personality, and useful features at a more realistic price point. The strategy can honestly make this one of the best value smartphones for a huge number of people. And again, if you want to see the latest specs, update pricing, and where to buy the Phone 4a, check the link in the description because availability and configurations can change depending on your region. So who's this phone actually for? Honestly, probably way more people than you think. If you are somebody using an older Android device and you want something fresh without spending flagship money, this makes a lot of sense. And if you care about aesthetics and want a phone that stands out visually, this definitely makes sense. And if you want clean Android software without tons of annoying junk pre-installed, this makes sense too. And even content creators and students could end up loving this phone because it balances style, performance, camera, and battery life in a way that feels modern without becoming ridiculously expensive. And at the end of the day, the Nothing Phone 4a represents something that smartphone industry desperately needs right now. And that personality. Too many companies are playing it safe, recycling the same ideas and charging more over every single year while giving people less excitement. Nothing is at least trying to push in a different direction with unique design choices, clean software, useful lighting features, and more focused user experience. And honestly, if it is not perfect, the effort alone makes it more interesting than most smartphones released lately. And the biggest question now is whether Nothing can continue improving the cameras, performance, the battery optimization, and the software support enough to compete long term against giants like Apple and Samsung. But if the Phone 4a delivers on expectation, this could easily become one of the smartest mid range smartphone purchases of the year, and maybe even one of the most fun phones to actually use day to day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.